So in Fresno, California, did a repair here out here on this faucet. They have an existing line that goes out to a hose bib that feeds a little garden area out front. One little nitpick is they've used class 200 pipe right here, and that's a no-no for pressurized line. It's not under pressure all the time. As long as you leave this off, it's not under pressure. So certainly you could use your water out front and come back and turn this off. So what they had was the sprinkler valve, and of course it was leaking, and we opted not to replace it with another sprinkler valve. That's mainly for irrigation. So what we've got here, we came back, put a schedule, actually a full port quarter turn ball valve. It's 3/4 inch, and so to activate it, just quarter turn on, quarter turn off, and these are great. And then Schedule 80 plastic. We like to use Schedule 80 fittings, Schedule 80 nipples. They come threaded both sides, so we can screw it in, then go to a glued fitting and back down to the class 200. These two pipes are the same outside diameter, by the way. That guy and this guy, same outside. Inside, this is a much larger opening because it's a very thin wall tubing, so this actually flows better, but that is more durable. I wouldn't hit it with a sledgehammer, but you can bump that and you're pretty good. This stuff will crack pretty easily. So anyways, everything's on. We haven't tested this out. The glue is drying, so we recommended you leave it for a couple hours and then go ahead and turn that on and test it out. I highly doubt you have any trouble with that, but outside of that, this installation is done.